All right, Mary Chrysler, ladies and genitals, today you are watching the most important VeChain video you will ever watch in your life. It is not only critical for your gains, but possibly for your life, that you watch this entire thing from the beginning to the end. Like and subscribe, you share the video, and I want to make it extremely clear that these are not my own words. I just got out of a meeting with the board, and they forced my hand. They told me, Brandon, you need to tell the people to like and subscribe. It's such valuable information, oftentimes profitable information, although not financial advice that you're giving out here. You just gotta let the people know. And I fought them on it, but honestly, the board, dug some skeletons out of the closet, and my hand was forced. So unfortunately, I'm forced to relay this message. Folks, like and subscribe. There's gonna be some Gucci information. All right, folks. So without all the joking aside, we got some things to discuss here, because is VeChain dead? A lot of people have been very frustrated with VeChain, myself included, but is that warranted? Does it make sense to be dreading the VeChain price action, or does it make sense to be excited about what we're seeing? Well, folks, I'm personally excited. VeChain is up about 20% since I called the bottom. I tweeted about the retest of this trend line in our Discord, on our Twitter, obviously. And VeChain is up roughly 20% since our tweet. So, folks, go follow our Twitter for the love of God. There's a link down in the description below, because you could have been up over 20% on VeChain. Now, guys, I really want to point out something extremely interesting here on VeChain. We're looking at a 3-day chart on price action and a 3-day chart on our indicators. And we can note here on the 3-day RSI, we are very much oversold. It's been very rare and far between in which VeChain enters these oversold regions. In the last time VeChain was this oversold, and we had a general market-wide reversal to the bullish side, VeChain had a 231% run-up the last time we were this oversold, and the market shifted from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Folks, what are we seeing here? We're seeing momentum shift to the upside with a 3-day MACD histogram. A bullish crossover in the weighted MACD serves as a leading indicator. Stochastic RSI on the 3-day all the way oversold, having a bullish crossover. Good to see. And the RSI in an oversold, nearing oversold territory on the 3-day, starting to see upside curvature. Now, if we zoom in here to the short term as well, what can we note? We're seeing signs of trend reversal with higher lows and higher highs. So we have bullish trend reversal. We have momentum shifting on a higher time frame from a bearish momentum to a bullish momentum. We also have, yes, we do, we have bullish divergence on the daily RSI. So bullish divergence, momentum shifting up, trend shifting up. Folks, we are seeing these signs that VeChain is showing strength. All right, there's a reason why I was tweeting that this was the bottom, and how I would be buying the bottom at these levels on this trend line if I hadn't already had my bag secured from back when VeChain was a penny. So, folks, you got to like and subscribe, because I've been showing VeChain, talking about it ever since it was a penny or two. So, I mean, even with these massive 50, 60, 70% pullbacks, I'm in massive profit because I kind of know what I'm doing, folks. That's to toot my own horn. But look, guys, let's be serious here. All right, so we're seeing that good bit of strength with VeChain. Now, what do we have to look out for to understand whether or not this is just a fake out, or whether or not this is just the beginning stages of a more macro bullish trend reversal? And the key factor we got to look out for is Bitcoin, folks. Bitcoin leads the market. So Bitcoin has recently broken out bullishly out of this descending, narrowing channel, all right, which is very good to see, although we're running up against resistance exactly where predicted at this previous relief rally high. So basically, folks, it is real clear and real simple. If we get 4 hours, 12 hours, dailies, weeklies, closing on a higher high above 49,000, let's call it 700, just to be real sure of a potential reversal. We get dailies closing above that, dailies closing on a higher high. Well, in that case, we would have the bullish confirmation to think that these trend reversals are not simply just fake outs, but that we could see more general bullish continuation. At least the likelihood of these bullish reversals not being fake outs greatly increases if Bitcoin can get 4 hours, 12 hours, dailies, 3 days, weeklies, closing on a higher high above these regions, which, if Bitcoin does that, that would give us the confidence to think that something like VeChain has the capability to really see an extended recovery here. So if we have that confirmation with Bitcoin, I think we see that continuation with VeChain. So folks, just to be clear here, with VeChain, I would really want to see this thing get above, I'd say 9-8 cents, but just for that nice psychological level, 10 cents. Once we can get above 10 cents, get dailies opening, closing above that level, then I would say that the downtrend is fully reversed. So 9-8 cents, about 10 cents is the next major resistance level I'm looking out for. If we put in a lower low below 7.5 cents, that would be absolutely terrible for VeChain. In that case, we could see an extended correction and consolidation phase, and it would then look like VeChain had its cycles blow off top, and we may be entering a bear market. That is possible, and the likelihood of that greatly increases if we start to spend time get dailies closing on lower lows. But we're not seeing that. We're seeing all the momentum go to the upside here. If we just see a little bit more confirmation with Bitcoin, we can have the confidence of continuation with altcoins such as VeChain. So 10 cents, major resistance level to look out for. 7.5 cents, we really want to hold as support. And yeah, folks, aside from that, I'm not really a fan of arbitrary price predictions, but if this is indeed truly a bull market, well, things typically reach their all-time highs and then enter price discovery. So how much could VeChain pump from here just to all-time highs? That's over 200%. And then from there to price discovery, I mean, folks, I definitely like VeChain. I don't think it's dead. I do think it has hope. And if Bitcoin can give us a little bit more confirmation, then I think we'll have more than just a little bit of hope with VeChain. So, folks, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Go follow our Twitter, because you could have been up over 20% on VeChain if you'd follow our Twitter. Although, of course, it's never financial advice, not financial advice. Those are not financial advisor. I'm just saying, this was like the bottom. It was the bottom. And as well, I mentioned this in our VIP Discord group. If you guys want to support us, become a VIP Discord member where we guarantee 1,000 access. That's a joke. That's a joke. No one call your goddamn lawyer. I'm kidding. None of what we do is financial advice. We just tell you guys what we're up to. Not financial advice. Everything can go to zero. Absolutely no promises. But there is an option down in the description below if you guys want to support us. Is that all I have on my mind for now? It is all I have on my mind for now. Folks, like and subscribe. Merry Crystals. And until next time, take care.